Students, good morning. Today here we revise our topic from chapter life process is excretion in animal. Okay. So first of all means different animal have different organ for excretion. In here our first slide is amoeba. So amoeba, as you know that amoeba is single cell animal and the waste product is carbon dioxide is removed by the diffusion through their cell membrane. Okay, but nitrogenous waste like the nitrogenous waste of amoeba is ammonia. So and excess water are removed by the contractile vacuum. Means there's two questions. If you have question that how amoeba remove their waste product like carbon dioxide, you have to be write down the process by diffusion through the cell membrane. And if there is question that what is the nitrogenous waste of amoeba, so you have to be write down ammonia. And how it remove it, so it remove it by its contractile vacuum. So I think there is 4 MCQ type question is over here. Okay, now next one is earthworm. Means in earthworm there is nephridia or the excretory organ. Means nephridia, the moist skin of earthworm, also act as excretory organ. Okay, now here we are, it is the picture of kidney. Means in human being the microscopic thin tubules from nephron which function as excretory unit, about 1 million nephron taken together form the excretory organ of human being called kidney. Means our kidney have 1 million nephron which are work together to be write down to be purify our blood. Okay, now removal of waste product in human. If you talk about the removal of waste product of human, so first of all we have to be know what is the waste product of human. If there is a question, write two major waste product of human being, so you have to be write down carbon dioxide and urea. So how it is it? Carbon dioxide is produced as waste by oxidation of food during the process of respiration, and urea is the product as a waste by decomposition of unused protein in the liver. So waste removal is called excretion. Okay, so our lung excrete carbon dioxide and our kidney excrete urea. There is two question. If there is question, our lung excrete carbon dioxide or our name the our organ which excrete carbon dioxide, you have to write down lungs. And if there is a question, name the organ which excrete urea, you have to write down kidney. Okay, so the kidney are the main excretory organ of human body. So the main excretory system in human being involves the kidney. We will first describe how lungs excrete carbon dioxide and then study the main excretory system of the human body. So the lungs remove respiratory waste carbon dioxide, and this happens is that carbon dioxide is produced as a waste product in the body by the oxidation of food during respiration, and this carbon dioxide enters from the body tissue into the bloodstream by diffusion. So blood carry the carbon dioxide to the lungs when we breathe out, and then the lungs excrete carbon dioxide when goes into the air through nostril. Means our lungs act as excretory organ for removing the waste like carbon dioxide from the body. Means simply human being has kidney which doing work of excretion. So two kidney means two kidneys over there, and two ureter and bladder and urethra are the part of kidney. A kidney a bean shaped organ as you see in your slide. The means the back of our body just above the waist, every person has two kidney. The blood in our body is passing through our kidney, and there is renal artery. Okay, I think you all see right kidney and left kidney. There is also a renal artery, or renal artery bringing the dirty blood into the kidney, and the function of kidney is to remove the poisonous substances like urea, other waste, salt and excess water from the blood and excrete them to form yellowish liquid called urine. So the kidney clean our blood by filtering it to remove unwanted substances present in it. The clean blood is carried away from the kidney by renal vein and the ureter, one from each kidney, open into urinary bladder, and ureter are the tube which carry urine from the kidney to the bladder. So urine is stored in the bladder, and the urethra is the tube. The urine collected in the bladder through the urethra, or now urine is passes from there. Means each kidney is made up of large number of excretory unit. That one is called nephron. That one is called nephron. Okay. So means the nephron has cup shaped bag at its upper end, which is called Bowman capsule. Okay. So the lower end of Bowman capsule is tube shaped. That one is called tubule, and the Bowman capsule and the tubule taken together make a nephron like this. Okay. So one end of the tubule is connected to the Bowman capsule, and its other is connected to the urine collecting duct of kidney. So the Bowman capsule contain a bundle of blood capillaries which called glomerulus, and one of glomerulus attached to the renal artery, which bring the dirty blood containing the urea, uh, and other end of glomerulus come out of Bowman capsule as a blood capillary surrounded by the tubule of nephron, and finally join the renal vein. So the function of glomerulus is very important here, because glomerulus is to filter the blood passing through it, and only the small amount, a small molecule of substances present in blood like glucose, amino acid, water, urea, salt, these all passes through the glomerulus and collect as filtrate in the Bowman capsule. So large molecule like protein and blood cell cannot pass out through the glomerulus. Please note it down, beta. If there is question, name the substance which cannot be passed by the glomerulus. So you have to write down protein. Okay, protein and blood cell cannot be passed through the glomerulus capillary. It remain behind the blood. So the function of tubule nephron is allow selectively reabsorbal of useful substances like glucose, amino acid, salt, water. But the waste product like urea remain behind in the tubule, and it does not get reabsorbed into the capillaries. Okay. Now if we talk about the working, this is the diagram to show working of human excretory system. So highly magnified diagram this is. The dirty blood containing waste like urea brought by renal artery. There is one question, which artery or which vein or which tube carry waste product? So you have to be write down renal artery, and then enter the glomerulus. So the glomerulus filter this blood, and during filtration the substance like glucose, amino acid, urea, water, salt, etc. present in the blood pass into Bowman capsule and then enter the tubule of nephron. And when the filtrate containing useful substance as well as waste product pass through the tubule, then the useful substance like glucose, all amino acid, waste substance passes through the tubule. Then it useful means all useful like this, like in blood, in urine. Urine is 1% from the waste product, and rest of useful substances are reabsorbed by the blood. Okay, so only the waste substances, some unwanted salt and excess water remain behind in the tubule, and the liquid behind the tubule of nephron is urine. So from the ureter, urine passed into urinary bladder, and urine is stored in the bladder for some time and ultimately pass out of the body through urethra. Okay, so human urine contain water, some salt and nitrogenous substances, most of which is urea, and we also call this uric acid. Okay, so this is about excretory system in amoeba, earthworm and human being. Okay, sometimes person kidney has stopped working because of an infection or injury to kidney. Very high blood pressure, very high blood sugar, restricted blood flow to kidney can damage the kidney, due to which they stop working. In this case, the best long term solution of kidney failure is the kidney transplant. So the damaged kidney is removed and matching kidney donated by the healthy person is transplanted to its place by the surgical operation. Then the patient with kidney failure is treated periodically on the kidney machine by a procedure called dialysis. So what is dialysis? The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substance from it is called dialysis, or the kidney machine is also called artificial kidney. Okay, so this is all about excretory system. I hope you all understand it, because it's the last topic of revision of your chapter life process, and next lecture we start our new chapter, how do organisms reproduce. Okay, thank you.